Let's take a look at the View ribbon, where you can customize your workspace and control how information is displayed throughout Design Flex. From here, you can show or hide dockable panels, refresh your view, or arrange your workspace however you like. Simply drag and drop the panels to the layout that works best for you. You can also customize the appearance of your floor plans and elevations. Just right-click on any view and select Display Settings. Here you can adjust colors, labels, dimensions, and even the grid pattern. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save As to create a custom scheme. Then, go to File, Preferences, and open the Display Tab Schemes section to set your new scheme as the default, so every future project starts with your preferred display settings.